Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use some decorative brushes in Adobe Illustrator to create seaweed that looks similar to this. I already opened my sandy seafloor file. Go ahead and open whichever background you'd like to work with. Over here in my Layers panel, I'm going to double check that I have locked all of my background elements that I don't accidentally want to move. Next, I'm going to go to Window and open some panels that I need. I do need my brushes, and when I opened brushes, my swatches also opened. If yours didn't, just go to Window and choose swatches from the alphabetical list. I'm also going to open Color Guide, just in case I need that. Now I am going to choose a green color for my seaweed, but don't forget, seaweed can be lots of different colors, so choose whichever color you like. I'm going to bring my fill forward, set it to none, and then click to bring my stroke back to the front. I will grab the paintbrush tool and now open a brush to use. So on my brush panel, I'm going to pop open this side menu, go to Open Brush Library, Decorative, and choose the last one, Elegant Curl and Floral Brush Set. And you can see that there is a wide variety of really interesting looking brushes here. Some of these brushes look just like seaweed, and some of them don't look like seaweed at all. So have fun experimenting and finding the brushes that you like the best. I'm going to go ahead and choose this one right here, and I'll just click and drag my first piece of seaweed. And I can see that it's not quite the size that I want. So I'm going to get the selection tool and click on it. Then over here in my properties panel, I'm going to make the stroke a little larger. And I think 3 looks pretty good. So back to the brush tool, and I will simply click and drag some more pieces of seaweed on here. Some of them will be short, some will be tall, and I'll just keep going until I have a nice group of seaweed. And if I don't like the way something looks, I can use Control Z to undo it and then draw it again. And I think I'm going to go ahead and stop right there. With the selection tool, I'm going to click to select all of my seaweed pieces and then go to Object, Path, Outline Stroke. And the reason that I did that is because I want to add another colored stroke to this. So I will go to my swatches and you choose whatever color you like. I'm going to choose maybe a darker green color, and then back to my brushes, I'll click around on these various brushes until I find one that I think looks interesting. And I can adjust the colors until I like the brush and stroke combination. Now the last thing that I need to do is go to Object, Group, so that those are all one piece and they'll move together as a unit. Over here in my Layers panel, I'm going to double click the name of this, and I'm going to call it Wide Seaweed. You call yours whatever makes sense to you. The other thing that I'm going to do is click this and drag it so it's behind that little sand mound in the front, so it looks like it's kind of growing out from behind the sand. That's it for this video, everyone. Have fun making all sorts of cool looking seaweed for your underwater scenes.